Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Skrill on AliExpress. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First of all, log into your AliExpress account and add the items you want to your cart. Go to checkout, select your delivery address. Now, in the payment options, choose Skrill. If Skrill doesn't appear, check if it's available in your region. If Skrill isn't available in your country for AliExpress, don't worry. Create a Skrill virtual card first. Then on AliExpress, select add credit card or debit card and use your virtual card details to make the payment. Otherwise, if Skrill is supported, you will be redirected to the Skrill page, log into your Skrill account and confirm the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will see a confirmation message on AliExpress. That's it. Thanks for watching.